Yeah, so Jesus, this is windy out. So after riding my boss's bike yesterday, holy shit, this bike feels like it has jack shit. Like, straight up, first gear, didn't even shift up into second, just 60. Like, just straight 60. Fucking wild. Oh boy. With the sprocket kit, this thing picks up speed like so much faster. Got some Harleys. I was gonna talk about just fucking coworkers. Like, y'all ever got like, God, I don't know how many of them have my fucking YouTube, so I don't know if I could talk on some. But shit, that's gonna be awkward if they see this. So I don't think this one has it. I doubt he has it. There's this dude. He's not like, how do you say it? Fuck. What's the correct way to say this shit? Okay, so let's say you're playing like a RPG or some shit, right? Like a normal person's gonna be at like a, let's just say like the average item's a rare, right? He's not gonna be a rare. He's gonna be like an uncommon, and that's his like brain capacity right there. Okay. So we got this kid. He works with us, and oh my goodness, he is one of the worst workers I've ever fucking seen. Like, he don't work at all, and I know he can, because one day our boss came back there, like our boss's boss came back there, and this motherfucker starts working. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? So he knows not working is bad, right? Or else he wouldn't have sped up with our boss's boss back there. So he knows it's bad not to work, but he just chooses not to. Not only that, but like, okay, he's fuck. I don't know how to say this without being mean as fuck, or getting canceled with all 8 subscribers, man. He's got, okay, so obviously he's not normal, right? He's got like a mental disability of some kind, right? Not too sure what it is. Could be like very low functioning autism or something. I don't know what it is. He's just not there. EQ and IQ are not there. Like, usually they have one or the other. Nope, don't got either. But he doesn't have either, because one of my coworkers has told him to speed it the fuck up or he's gonna lose his shit, right? And this dude proceeds to laugh at him. Like, what? Are you, like, this is a dude that has anger issues, and he's laughing in his face. Yeah. Oh, and one day, he dropped a box. He dropped 2 boxes off the line, right? He went to go pick up one. I was like, oh, I'll pick up the other one for him, right? I pick up the box. On the way up, he smacks me in the face with the fucking box, right? I was like, okay, bet, it's just an accident. It's whatever. I'll let it slide, you know? It doesn't fucking matter. It's just an accident. Until this dude started laughing in my fucking face. Like, what? Yeah, I about lost my shit that day. I ain't gonna lie. And it was a long ass day. It was a long ass day at work. I about lost my shit. But I mean, he does it like every day. Like, we constantly tell him, like, hey man, this does this, right? Like, we work at a big corporation, not gonna name the name. We work at a big corporation. It's like a little retail store, right? Like, you probably got one within miles of your house. Chances are. But yeah, we unload a truck, which he's dog shit at. Then we stock shelves, right? So it's like, if okay, we got a phone. We scan our items. You can scan the items. If you don't know where they go, it'll tell you the exact fucking location on a shelf where it goes, right? This dude scans the fucking item and looks around drooling on the fucking box for a couple fucking minutes. Like, come on! Okay, that was mean. I don't know. I might cut that one out. That was a little mean. But that's legit what he does. Like, I wish I could make it up, but it genuinely, like, just gets on my nerves that he gets paid the same as us. And not only that, but our bosses are like on our ass for getting shit done. And they're like, oh, look at your roster. You got this many people. That motherfucker don't count. I gotta make up for him. And again, we make the same money. Like, how is that? Oh, and one time, this dude was struggling to pull some pallets. Our boss's boss, our coach, looked at us and said, someone go help him. I'm not helping him. You want to give me his fucking paycheck? I'll go help him. I already don't give a lot of crap about this job. Like, yeah, I don't want to get another one because I'm just kind of vibing while I'm in school. But at the same time, if I lost the job, I'd be like, oh, okay, I'll go to fucking, I don't know, some other corporation, you know? So it wouldn't pain me to get a new job. I just don't want to because I'm comfortable here. All right, well, I'll get back to y'all tonight. Re-up on this after a full day with him. So, yeah. All right, so okay, that peaked. What the fuck is you doing? Me gonna go to town. All right, so a rant about the fucking kid at work. Oh my goodness, it was a fucking day. He got on my goddamn nerves. Holy shit. All right. So Brody does like absolutely fucking nothing at work. Dude has like, I don't, it's like, Like I said, it's like he has like no IQ and no EQ. Like usually you get one of the two. Usually it's like a trade-off. You get IQ or you get EQ, right? But I swear, this kid has none. Not only that, yeah, fuck it. After today, fuck it, bro. Bro looks like how I would think a primal human looks. Like, bro looks the most primal I've ever seen a dude look. Then he's got like fucking scoliosis or some shit. He's got scoliosis or some shit. So he fucking Hunchback of Notre Dame looking ass. Here, I'm gonna quote my boss's boss on this shit. So, we was all throwing trash away at the compactor, like the cardboard and shit. And it was him and one of my other coworkers. So basically it was two coworkers. One good coworker and him, right? They were both throwing away trash at the compactor. And my boss's boss was like, hey, it only takes one of y'all. And I was like, yeah, how about the kid does it and we'll go out back and go back out to the floor and work. And she looks at me and she goes, yeah, no, he's just gonna fucking drool on boxes. I was like, oh, fucking shit. She's like, don't tell anybody I said that. That was a little mean. And then, not only that, he got all that shit that he does, but he'll literally just stare at people. Right? Bro will literally just stare. And I'm like, Brody, stop fucking staring. And not only that, he stares at fucking titties. Like, no joke, if there's fucking titties, this dude's staring at them. Like, literally, just fucking staring at them. Anytime there's any sort of girl comes down the fucking aisle, like, I kid you not, they will walk right past him, and he'll just be, like, fucking tracking them titties. And you can tell he's a titty guy, because he don't really do it to ass. I mean, he does it to ass, just not as much. But them titties, he sees them titties coming down the aisle, whoo-wee! He'll literally just laugh at you if you drop shit. Like, if you drop shit, I guarantee you're already pissed the fuck off. Because you dropped that shit, you gotta pick that shit up. And he'll literally laugh at your ass while you're, like, as you're picking it up. And I'm like, one of these days, one of us is just gonna snap. It's none of us like his ass. We tried to get him transferred to like fucking maintenance where they put all the dumbasses at, where they could just sit there and clean toilets all day. We got a fucking maintenance guy that walks around with his phone up as he does every fucking thing, bro. I don't know what he watches. It's either A, some fucking degenerate ass shit, or he's watching fucking Coco Melon, bro. They put all the dumbasses on fucking janitors. And then, the same janitor, sorry, I'm getting all fucking sorts of sideways on this shit. The same fucking janitor kid, we'll have like donut days on Fridays, right? We'll go back to the break room and there'll be donuts right out. This kid, I kid you fucking not, will like lick his fucking fingers and start like poking the fucking donuts and shit. Same kid, by the way. There was a cake in the break room. This dude goes back there, grabs a fucking handful, takes a bite, and puts it back. Like, they put all the... Almost fucked up there. They put all the dumb fucks on fucking maintenance. The kid from my department. They keep trying to get him transferred, and no fucking department wants him. Do I blame him? No. I understand. No one fucking wants him. Not even the fucking door greeters want his ass. Because he's not mentally capable of fucking working. And yet somehow we can't fucking fire him. For some odd fucking reason, we can't fire him. It makes no sense. Makes the same pay as me, and all he does is slow everybody else down. Makes the same pay as all of us, but all he does is slow us the fuck down. it's like to the point where sometimes when we're working our trucks, and our trucks, it's like we get trucks with freight, and the freight's just like stacked all the way throughout the truck. I'll throw up a picture if I got one. It's stacked all the way throughout the truck, and we got a line of rollers, and the person in the truck throws the boxes onto the line and rolls them out. And then the people out working the line, they take the boxes off and put it on the assigned pallet for the department, right? Not fucking hard at all. All you gotta look at is the sticker on the box that tells you which department it goes to and put it on the damn pallet. This kid can't even do that shit. Like, we don't work a hard job. We don't at all. It's honestly one of the easiest jobs I've ever worked. You just gotta have good work ethic, right? Just come in, work your fucking shift like you're supposed to, and go home. It's not that hard. Yeah, not a hard job at all. You just come in, do what you're being asked of, and go home. And he can't even do that. He gets in our way to where we can't do our job. And yeah, there's shit that they don't pay me enough to do, and I don't do it. Like, catch shoplifters? Fuck if I care if you fucking steal from our store. It's a $150 billion profit a year company. Fuck if I care if you steal from them. Just try not to do it in front of me. But then that puts me in a spot where I gotta fucking say something.